Fit Track, Evan here. I know a lot of us have transitioned to learning and working from home. And with that means too much time spent sitting down and hunched over our laptops. So today I'm going to share with you my 3 favorite corrective stretches. These stretches are designed to release tension where we tend to hold it most. You don't need any equipment and it'll take about 5 minutes. So let's go. So first up, we've got a stretch for hip flexors. If you're at home, you can use a couch by taking the cushion off your couch, putting your knee on the cushion, and your foot elevated on the couch. All we're gonna do here is we're gonna get into a lunge position. From here, all we wanna do is we wanna sit up nice and tall to make sure that this whole section of our body is nice and elongated. So thinking of stretching our spine all the way to the sky and breathing nice and deeply. You're gonna hold this stretch for 10 deep breaths. Our next stretch is called the Pigeon Stretch, and it's designed to loosen up your glutes. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring your lead leg forward, make sure your shin is flat on the floor, and then you're gonna have your back nice and flat. From here, you're gonna put your arms on the ground to make sure you're balanced, and you're gonna slowly lower your torso towards the ground. Make sure our back is nice and straight as we're lowering ourselves towards the ground. And when we feel that stretch, we're gonna hold it for 10 deep breaths. Last, and definitely not least, is a stretch for your neck, which tends to get really tight when you spend a lot of time hunched over your laptop. If you're at home, you can use a door frame. So you're gonna start by grabbing a solid hold onto the door frame or whatever object you're holding onto. Then you're gonna bring your elbow all the way forward and drop your ear towards your shoulder. Once you feel a stretch, you're gonna hold for 10 deep breaths. Thanks so much for joining us for our Corrective Stretch series. Leave a comment and let me know how they work for you.